We've got some words to describe the probability of each of the events taking place. What I'm going to do here is just add a number line below. For impossible, it would be 0. For even, it would then be a half as a probability, and then for certain, it would then be 1. Any value that goes from 0 to a half is unlikely. Any value that goes from a half to 1 is then likely. So we've got a four-sided spinner. Choose the word that best describes the probability that the spinner lands on a 2, and there are two 2's. So the probability of landing on a 2 is 2 out of 4, which when you simplify that becomes a half. And a half has a probability, or as a word to describe that, is then evens. So evens would be the first one. Choose the word that best describes the probability that the spinner lands on a number that's less than 4. So we're going to look at the spinner at the top, and I'm going to circle all of the numbers that are less than 4. So 1 is less than 4, so is 3, so is 2, and so is that other 2. So that is then 4 out of 4, and 4 out of 4 is 1. So then that's going to be certain. And it's certain that when you spin the spinner, you will get a number that's less than 4 because all of the numbers are less than 4. This question uses the formula of the probability of something not happening is equal to 1 minus the probability of it happening. So in this case, we're looking for the probability of not getting a 5. So the probability of not 5 is then equal to 1 minus the probability of 5. In the question, we're told that the probability of getting a 5 is 0.4. So in order to find the probability of not a 5, we're going to do 1 minus 0.4, and 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6.